Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use your Dunzo app. Before going to the next step, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates on our new videos. Please open your Dunzo app and how to create your Dunzo account. We have a video for it in our YouTube page. You can go there and check out the video how to create it. Okay, so the Dunzo app is the homepage looks something like this. Basically, Dunzo app they are collaborated with the local vendors, so you can ask them to pick up your order directly from the shops or anywhere, or else if you want any documents or anything to be picked up from your friend's place as such, you can schedule and driver for them to pick up and drop it to your place. And also they have lot of options on grocery shopping as such. So as per the previous app, whatever you have, it is the same way. You can go to the category what you're looking into. You can check, they have lot of discounts. Also add what you're looking forward to order, so you can add so they have combo offers and everything running, and you can click on view cart. So you can order whatever you have clicked for your grocery shopping, or else if you want to directly purchase from the store, you have an option called stores. So here you have all the options, that is grocery and essentials can be picked up, fruits and vegetable, fish and meat, pet supplies, gift and lifestyle, medicine, anything can be picked up from your doorstep and it can be delivered. So if you want, I can click on the medicines. Okay, you can see all the nearby medical shops have been listed over here. Click on the medical shop and make sure that you have a prescription. So sometimes some of the medicines they ask you to upload the prescription as such. Please select the medicines, add them, give your address, and you can get it to your doorstep. So Zomato gives you all this features to work with. If you have any questions, please comment below. We will be happy to rectify it. Thank you.